Welcome to JST Channel. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of custom CNC machining for aerospace automotive. First, let's explore material mastery. From heat-resistant titanium alloys for jet engines to high-strength aluminum for automotive chassis, we work with top-grade materials. Their ability to endure extreme pressures and temperatures makes them ideal for mission-critical components. Next up is precision perfection. Our advanced multi-axis CNC machines can achieve tolerances down to 0.11 mm. Whether it's complex aerospace brackets or high-performance automotive gears, we ensure every part meets exact specifications. Flexibility is our strength. Need a one-off prototype for a new aircraft design or mass production of automotive parts? No problem. We handle projects of all sizes with custom solutions for undercuts, thin walls, and intricate geometries. Quality control is non-negotiable. Each part goes through CMM inspection, dimensional checks, and stress testing, ensuring compliance with aerospace AS9100 and automotive IATF 16949 standards. Ready to take your aerospace or automotive project to the next level. Subscribe for more CNC machining insights. JST Tech is your partner for precision, innovation, and reliability. Let's create the future of manufacturing together.